What's the meaning of caterwaul? Caterwaul. Caterwaul.
Caterwaul. Caterwaul. Caterwaul means to make a harsh, high-pitched noise, usually associated with cats. The sound can be very loud and unpleasant, often resembling a screeching or wailing sound. A caterwauling cat is usually upset, either because it is in pain or because it is trying to signal other cats. Humans can also caterwaul when they scream or yell loudly, although this is less common than with cats. The word caterwaul is often used to describe annoying or disruptive noises that disturb the peace.